So today in this video, I'm going to give you the key to reach your harmonious union in a fun and easy way. So what's the key? How do you heal your separation and you reach your harmonious union on a fast track? You know? So the fundamental of consciousness is everything happens in your reality with your choice. So even harmonious union is your choice. Choosing your harmonious union now that accelerates your journey and help you reach your harmonious union faster. So there is a tool, it's called mirror exercise. It's from Jeff and Shelia, and I'm going to explain you the details of this mirror exercise and how to use it with example so that you can use it for yourself and heal your separation, heal your upsets. And the whole goal is to reach peace and love within. And when everything within you is love and you are completely filled with love and peace, that's where you attract your twin flame. So this tool is going to be your like all time required tool that is going to help you from like upsets with twin flame to upsets with your life purpose to any other upsets in finances or anything, because in love you attract. That's what is law of attraction is. In love you attract whatever you are desiring. You can attract it very easily in love. So the whole point is how to know, how to know what to love, so that you can attract what you are desiring outside. So if I take you to the spirituality, I would like to give you some introduction so that you understand the wisdom and then you apply it in your life. Spiritually, everything is energy, okay? And if there is an upset means there is you have a desire but you don't see in your reality. In your reality it is not manifested, and in that moment you see a separation. There is a separation, what is outside and what you desire, and that's what is separation consciousness. And we have always believed into it, and then we have reached to a point where we have surrendered ourselves to fear. you know as we have surrendered ourselves to fear, we do see ourselves separated from our good. So we see separated from our twin flame. We see we are separated from our abundance. You know. So this tool is going to help you to heal this separation and be one with your twin flame, be one with your abundance. So the moment you become one with everything that you desire, you manifest that in your reality. It's that easy. Then why it takes time? In few people have come back. It takes time. It's because the depth of separation that you are holding in your energy body. And yes, you can heal everything in one exercise. That's what is your power. You can do that. And if it is not happening in one exercise, it's okay. Be compassionate to yourself. You have started the process. So all along, as you keep loving yourself, you will get the result. And the whole process is loving yourself. The result is going to manifest. You don't have to do anything for the result. It will come to you. The whole process is just heal all the separation that you are holding in your heart. That's what is your work. That's what is your karma. And that's what is the cause and effect. The cause is love, you get the effect you will get is love. Okay, so I will take you through the steps of mirror exercise. It is done in a 4-step. I'll be giving you example from the twin flame journey. Like most of the upsets are very intense because your twin flame is you. Even if you experience this a rejection from any other person, it may not feel that bad. But the moment your twin flame rejects you, it's like you reject yourself, and that is very intense. That because it amplified, that energy is amplified. So it is done, or it happens that way, not with the intention. That is not that your twin flame is doing that intentionally, but it's a energetic inner work that happens, when your own soul in another body comes in front of you and shows, the part within you where you are rejecting yourself. That intensifies, and in that moment only you can connect with that rejection energy. Maybe all along your life you might have ignored that you are experiencing this rejection, but the rejection that you experience with your twin flame, that you cannot ignore. So the only process is to come out of this rejection pain is to heal. And the moment you heal the rejection pain between you and your twin flame, you heal all the rejection that you have experienced in your life, through any situation, through any other person, because you are eliminating the rejection energy itself within you. Okay, so once you heal the rejection, you accept completely within yourself, you see that reflection outside of you. Okay, this is how the consciousness works. This is how it works. You do everything within, and you see the reflection outside. You don't have to struggle outside fixing everything. You don't have to do that. You just have to do the inner work. Just heal yourself within. Okay, so let's go through the steps. So the first step, the most famous one, that like my twin flame is not communicating with me. So that is your first statement, like my twin flame, I am upset. It starts with this, like I am upset that my twin flame is not communicating with me. That's my upset. That's your first step, to identify why are you upset. And step two is to write the same sentence, to write the same sentence you have written in the step one, and then switch all the nouns to pronoun and point all of them towards you. Okay, why you need to do that? Because the moment you know that your twin flame is you, and then you heal that within you, the same healing happens within them. Okay, so you don't have, that's why you don't have to do anything with them. You don't have to force them to do anything. You can just heal the communication block within you, and you see the reflection that your twin flame communicating with you. Okay, so the moment you start pointed all the offsets and all the nouns to the pronouns, and then pointed everything towards you, then it's time to go to the next step. So but before that, how the step two is going to look like first step was like I am upset because my twin flame is not communicating with me. So step two is I am upset because I am not communicating with me. This is how the step two is going to look like. Okay, so the moment you do that, you remove the element of twin flame which is outside of you, and you come back to you. Okay, and now is going within. The next step is going within. So next step is step three. Ask yourself, is there any truth to this statement? Okay, so maybe in the separation consciousness with your mind, you will feel like, okay, there is nothing wrong with me, everything is wrong with them. But the spiritual truth is, and the inner healing happens when you see that upset within you. Because that is your experience. You are experiencing no communication with your twin flame. That's your experience. So the truth is, yes, you are not communicating with yourself. And you can see that part within yourself and ask few questions. Am I communicating with myself? Am I communicating from my authentic self? Am I expressing myself authentically, completely? Because your twin flame can recognize your authentic self only. Your twin flame can recognize your divinity. They are not going to recognize you when you are in your separation. That's how they pull away from you, right? So the step 3, always that answer is yes. Okay. And then you need to see the parts within you where you are stopping yourself to authentically express. There are so many instances or so many ways we are, programmed, so that you hold yourself back. Don't express, openly. Don't express from your heart. Don't express in vulnerability, because you have to say things to please others, so that they don't feel bad about it. With all that programming, it's very natural that you don't express yourself authentically. But your twin flame is going to reflect back to you by not communicating with you. He is not trying to do that to give you pain. He is doing that so that you come back and accept your authentic self. That's the process. You coming back to yourself. You coming back to your authentic expression. Okay, so the moment you identify those upsets within you, where are the places where you are not authentically expressing yourself, and why you are not authentically expressing yourself, because you are scared, or something had happened, because of that you are not expressing yourself. So just connect with that part within you. That part is still there within you. Maybe from your childhood you have been told, or you have been punished, because when you authentically expressed, you were punished. That part is still living within you in fear. So just connect with that part and love it. Just be present with yourself. Be present with that part that is hiding in fear, and love completely till the point you feel peace. Okay, so these are the 4 steps of mirror exercise. Then how do you know that you have completely healed? Because the moment you heal this, you will see a reflection in your twin flame, not only your twin flame, all around your consciousness. Like any person you are interacting with, everybody is going to reflect back that healing towards you. So don't worry, if you are not in connection with your twin flame, you can see that reflection around other people. Okay, so maybe you healed to some extent, so be compassionate to the pace that you heal, that is your pace, and be comfortable with it. So you'll see, there is improvement. And then there will be a next layer that will come up. There will be some other part where you are not authentically expressing yourself, and that's okay. It will come to you layer by layer. Okay, so the moment your consciousness or your reality is going to show you another layer of upset, so all that you have to do is come back and heal that within you. The more you keep healing, you will reach a point where you will see there is no more situation in your reality or in your consciousness that is blocking you from communication. Okay, and that's exactly where your twin flame is also going to reflect back. They will communicate with you from their authentic self with the complete vulnerability. Okay, so this is how the mirror exercise works. It has worked for me in all aspects of my life. You don't have to do that only for your twin flame upset. Any upset with your family members, the moment your spiritual journey starts happening, you become sensitive to any separation feeling, any feeling that is not good. So all those negative feelings is not that you have to be a victim of that. You can heal that with mirror exercise within yourself without controlling anything outside of you. And then see how the reality is changing around you. Okay, it's very easy and it's a life transforming tool, and it gives you can see the result in your reality. Okay, so apply that in your real life situation, real life upsets, and let me know how did you feel about it. How did you feel after loving yourself, rather than depending on anyone else outside of you to love you? How did you feel by just loving yourself?